Hey guys, welcome to Effortless Code Learning. In this video, we are going to learn how to show colorful circular progress indicator inside the Flutter application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Here I will be showing colorful circular progress indicator on the screens. For that I will be using colorful circular progress indicator package. This package supports Android, iOS, web, Linux, Mac OS and Windows platforms. It is really easy to integrate. As I have already added this package inside my pubspec.yaml file, now let's make change inside main.dart file where I will be showing the circular progress indicator. So inside this center widget, we will be adding colorful circular progress indicator widget. For this widget, we need to specify colors using colors property. So here I will be specifying color. I will specify 4 colors that will be displayed. I will set red, green, blue and yellow. Here you can see the circular progress indicator shown on the screen. This color is getting changed. Let's change indicator height and width. Also we will change stroke of this circular progress indicator. So I will be doing these changes one by one. Here I will set indicator width. Let's set stroke width. I will set it will be around 10. So we can see the indicator clearly. That's all for this video. I hope this video was really helpful. If you like this video, please click on like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel.